Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. Please key in your attendance and start doing this question. Okay. Everyone, you have your graphic calculator with you? Please key in your attendance. Who else haven't keyed in your attendance? Okay. Shall we go through one by one? Everyone got your graphic calculator? Or no? Hmm?
I got mine.
Okay, everyone got your graphic calculator. You key this into your calculator already? Okay, let's do it part by part. Okay, so can someone, okay, I will call your name. Okay, part A. Okay, Avika. Is Avika, is it?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, Avika, can you tell me the domain for function fx here?
E to the power of minus x. is a
Hello?
ma- Hello?
Hello? Are you sure it's a to the power of minus x? Domain means all the possible value for x.
Oh,
Oh.
yeah.
Exam you like that, then die.
No,
Yes, faster. Quick, can you give me the answer?
yeah.
X. Some more?
X is a member of real number.
Yes. Because this is an exponential, correct? Yeah. Okay, now there's part A. So part B, we are going to find the exact value of the x-intercept. So what should we do if we want to find x-intercept? Ideal Ayman.
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Fx equal to 0.
Okay, fx equal to 0. So if I write like that, do you understand? This is my fx, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, equal to 0. Then how am I going to solve this? How many of you all know how to solve this?
Let e to the power of minus x equal to y.
Okay, we try not to use y here. Why I have to let e to the power negative x be equal to y? Okay, we know that if I have an exponential, if more than one term, I cannot change it to ln, am I right? Okay, and the variable here, that means if I see situation like that, I must tell myself that I must know the value of e to the power of negative x before I can find the value of x. Do you know that? And I have to know this formula. If I have any number to the power of m times n, then I can write it as a to the power n, then to the power of n, or any other way. So if I have e to the power negative 2x, then I can write it as e to the power of x, then to the power of, e to the power negative x, then to the power of 2. You still remember this formula for
Yes.
indices?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why just now your friend said we have to let e to the power negative x be equal to, we try not to use y because usually we take our fx as y. We don't want to confuse ourselves. So we let it be another alphabet called k. Can or not? So I have this 2e to the power negative x square. take away 3e to the power negative x minus 6 equal to 0. So this is a skill every one of us must learn. So that means I replace my e to the power negative x with k. Whoever can factorize straight away, I will encourage you to do that. Yeah, so now we have a quadratic equation, correct? So you can get the value of k from your scientific calculator, am I right? So can you please quickly key into your scientific calculator and get the value of k? Or whoever good in factorization, you can do factorization.
Miss,
Hmm?
I want to ask a question.
Yeah, what question is that?
You write there e power of negative x equals to k, am I right?
Yeah,
Then why down there become k square, not
because e to the power negative x square, because of this.
So the k also becomes squared because k
Yeah.
times k.
Yeah,
okay.
okay, here, this one. I hope I'm doing the right thing. I have to put 3 here. I put 2 here. I'm wrong, maybe. My function is not right.
I'm sorry, what?
Wait. You won't get a nice number. Do you get a nice number
No.
when you get your k?
No.
No.
No,
No, you don't get a nice number. So
I
my
got-
function is, wait. I changed my function. You don't get a nice number, am I right?
Yeah.
nope.
Wait, how to get a nice number? Oh. So okay. We just do a slight changes, can or not?
Can, Miss. Can.
Yeah. This one,
Okay.
delete off the 3. Then you can get a nice one. Okay. Okay. I think now you can get a nice one. If I'm not wrong. E to the power negative x. So okay.
So we get 2 and we get negative 1.5.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now you can, So here will be 2. Yeah. Here is a plus. Yeah. Okay. So you get negative 2 and no 2 and negative 3/2. Am I right? Hello?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, good.
Yep.
So now our k is e to the power negative x. Yep. So this will be equal to 2. Okay, so every time when I have power negative, I will prefer to do it like that. Oh, this one is okay. Don't do it like that. It confuse you more. Okay, so we do it like that. This one is okay. So this one, I will change it to ln. So negative x equal to ln 2. Am I right? So my x equal to negative ln 2. So your x-intercept is a negative value. Okay, so this one, e to the power negative x equal to a negative value. So straight away, what will I write down here? Azif?
Yes.
Straight away, what will I write down here? If I have e to the power of something equal to negative, is it possible?
No.
No. So I will write down. This is
Undefined.
called Is it undefined? I will say no
Solution.
solution.
Yeah.
Be very careful. Undefined and no solution is different story. That means I can't find a value of x that will make e to the power negative x equal to negative 3/2. That is the meaning of no solution. Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. So now next, we want to find the y-intercept. So what I do, if I want to find the y-intercept, I will put the x equal to 0. Am I right? Okay. So be very careful whenever you talk about exponential. You should know that e to the power 0 is 1. So be very, very careful. So what is the answer, Brandon? Brandon?
2 minus 1 minus 6. Negative 3, yeah.
Huh?
Negative 3, negative 3.
Sure.
Yeah.
Take out the calculator and try.
Uh,
You see, you are wasting your energy. You just take the calculator, do the thing.
oh, negative 5. Sorry.
You see, young people, when come to all this calculation, I'm not testing you on your calculation already. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. No, no, no. How fast you can add that one is nothing to do with me. You just use your calculator. So you don't stress yourself up. So negative 5. So I'm done with part B. So now let's go to part C. So whenever we draw the sign diagram, yeah, we have to draw. This is the domain. So may I know which one must I mark? Kevin, you are not here, huh? Are you? No. Cindy? I know he is not here. I know the reason. Okay, Cindy?
Yes.
Yes. What should I mark on the line? What number should I mark on the x-axis here? Cindy, please.
Negative 5.
Why negative 5? You tell me. Why negative 5? Negative 5 is the y-intercept. Why I must mark down y-intercept on the side diagram? What should I mark down on the side diagram? Cindy? Cindy, please.
Yes.
Yeah. You have to answer me. There are only 2 numbers that we calculate. I told you already. We never mark y-intercept on the side diagram. Side diagram represent the x-axis. This line represents the x-axis. So what must we mark it down?
2 and negative 3/2.
Okay, is that the x-intercept? Or that is the value of e to the power negative x? Is 2 the value of x? If you look at here, is 2 the value of x?
No.
No. So what should I mark down on the side diagram of x-axis?
Negative ln 2.
Yes, negative ln 2. So, Cindy, is it easy for Miss Do to tell you the answer, or is it harder for me to lead you to the answer? Okay, so please remember on the sign diagram, we are supposed to mark down the x-intercept. Okay, Cindy, can you please tell me the approximate value of ln 2? Negative ln 2? Can you tell me the approximate value of negative ln 2?
Negative 0.693.
Yeah, thank you. Why I have to get the approximate value? Because I want to test the region, correct? Whether it's positive or negative, am I right? So I key into my calculator. Yeah. Okay, so I have two regions here whereby I need to determine the sign, region A and region B. And I teach you how to use your GC to help you, am I right? Okay, Gladys Wong. Can you tell me the sign of region A?
Wait,
Wait, Mr. Very patient already nowadays.
negative.
Negative.
Yeah.
Okay, if it's wrong, please class, you let me know, because I didn't test. Okay, how about region B? Gladys?
Positive.
Positive. Yeah, okay, good. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, you are right. Okay, we have done with that. So now can you please use your graphic calculator to sketch the graph? So you should know already. Yeah, by using your graphic calculator, you should know. This is your origin. This is your x-intercept. That is negative ln 2. This part is below the x-axis. This part is above the x-axis. Correct? Above, below. Okay, can you please sketch your graph? You can go to it. You can straight away do a zoom standard. Okay, have you got the graph? Hafiz, can you send it to your graph? Can you send it to our WhatsApp group?
Okay. Wait.
Wait, I wait. Don't worry, I wait. Okay. Do you see there is a look like there is a turning point? Okay, if you look at the graph, so if I want to see the turning point clearly, so I can go to the window. Can you please go to window? And you change the limit of y. Okay, you put the y maximum a bit lower so that you can see the turning point clearly. You put the y maximum as maybe just 2. Then the y minimum, just let it stay at negative. If you look at the graph, I can put it as negative 8. Then I go to graph. Do y'all know what does Mr. What I mean? You put a negative, maybe you can just stay at negative 10, doesn't matter. Y minimum. Then Y maximum, you just put at 2. Then you go to graph again. Now can you see the turning point clearly?
Yes.
Yeah. So during the exam, you can manipulate in that way. So it go like that, go down here, then it go up. Okay. Am I right? This is how your graph look like. That's why I say, that's why I put here in the question, after you sketch the graph, hence find the coordinate of the minimum point. So do you know how to find the coordinate of the minimum point? Yeah, please do so. Use your graphic calculator, you should know, correct? Second trace, minimum. Left
Miss,
bound.
Miss, for the answer, how many decimal points do we have to take?
3 significant figure.
Okay. Thank you.
Then left bound. Okay, I do something not right. Never mind. Try it again. Okay, right bound. Left bound. Answer. Okay. Can someone give me the answer? 3 significant figure. How Xuan? How Xuan? Don't How Xuan give Miss Do the answer?
I left bound already,
But you don't know how to go to right bound.
now it's right bound, then question mark already. Then how?
Then put enter lah.
Enter again. Enter at where?
Enter lah. There is a button enter there. ENTER.
No need to go left or right one.
Have to. The
Go.
first one is left.
Yes.
You enter.
Where? Okay, I enter already then.
Then they come out right, right?
Yes.
You move the cursor to the right of the turning point.
Very far one or what?
Very far, doesn't matter lah, as long as must pass through the turning point.
Where? Very
Wait.
far one or what? Why I don't have the turning point.
Yeah. Why you don't have? How Xuan?
I go right, go where?
Okay, you see how I do. I video, okay? I video.
Okay, please.
I video and send now.
Okay, thank you.
Wait 1 minute. You thank
Okay.
you. You
No
owe me a meal.
Okay, you want what? McDonald's?
I don't eat fast food, young man.
That vegetarian can? Vegetarian.
Vegetarian. I'm not a vegetarian, okay? You hold on.
So, then what you want?
What I want. I make sure I want you to learn properly.
Okay. I also want
You also want, but you didn't put in effort,
God, I try very hard already, but
you try
this...
very hard. This is not called try very hard, young man.
Alright. Young man. Okay.
Yeah lah. You are young man, ma. I'm old lady, ma.
No, where got old KKC.
Alamak, I forgot to record. I have to do it.
It's
Yeah,
okay,
that's
it's
why
okay.
I told you I'm old lady, ma.
Nah, it's okay. Take your time.
I take my time. Your friend is going to kill you already. You say take your time.
Sorry guys. You guys
Okay.
got okay.
Okay, I record. Wait.
Okay, I wait you. I'm sure I'm not the only one who don't know how to do the right bound thing, right?
Okay, 1 minute.
Okay.
Done. Send it.
Okay, I see.
So you get this 0.287, 288, okay? And the y is negative 7.13. Okay? Do you get that? I'm doing the wrong thing.
Yeah, you can add the three negative x.
Oh, you say for.
I changed already the Y1, you see.
Yeah.
Never mind. So I think, yeah, I key in the 3 one. So I delete. Never mind. So you the video is wrong. So what is the answer? Okay, never mind. I go to the graph again. I do it by myself. So the video one is with the 3. Thank you. How you know I'm doing with the 3?
I look at the video.
Oh, you get the video. So I'm doing the wrong answer. So for yours should be, okay, I do it again. Minimum, yeah, left bound. So go to the right, you go right up to very right, okay? Further away a little bit. So it's 1.39. Is it correct?
Yes.
And negative 6.13. Am I right? Hello?
Why my one 6.1 or 6.12?
6.125.
124.
124. You didn't go left, you didn't go right enough. Okay,
Oh yeah,
try with that. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go to part E quickly. If not, we cannot finish the other part. Okay, find the equation of the horizontal asymptote. Okay, if we want to find the horizontal asymptote, what should we do? Okay, Jevan, you just join, I know. Can you answer?
I'm not sure, Miss.
Okay, you're not sure, so I'm not going to ask you for that. Okay, how about just Jevashini? How to find horizontal asymptote? When you want to find horizontal asymptote, what should you do?
As x to
Both
infinity.
direction to infinity. Okay, so what happened to e to the power of negative 2x?
Is it also to infinity?
Are you sure? You try and see. There is a negative sign. What?
Oh, so negative infinity.
You try and see.
0.
Whenever we talk about exponential, we got negative power, correct? What we do, we change to like that. So what is the next step, Miss Do ask you all to think. You tell me. 1 divided by what? You see? Very, very big. Thanks, Hafiz. So it becomes very, very small. So very, very small. So approaches what?
0.
Yeah. So approaches 0. Same go with e to the power negative 2x, e to the power x, it will approach 0 also. So therefore, my fx, which is 2 e to the power negative 2x minus e to the power negative x minus 6 will approach
0.
yeah, huh? Will approach? No.
-6.
Yeah. How Xuan?
Ơi,
Oi. Will approach what?
negative infinity.
How to be negative infinity or how Xuan? This one is kosong, this one is kosong.
-6.
Yeah lah.
Okay.
Hello.
I want to see
How
negative
Xuan?
6 already just now.
Negative 6, correct?
Yes.
Okay, look. The graph for this part is below the x-axis, correct? So we will say from below. Okay, so then we study the other direction as x approaches negative infinity. E to the power negative 2x will approach will approach what? Johan,
Will approach 0.
why approach 0? You tell me. You look, my x approach negative infinity. My x
Oh,
approaches negative infinity, young man.
so it approaches
Negative times negative become positive.
positive.
Yes. So it approaches what?
It approaches infinity.
So same go with e to the power negative x. Approaches infinity. Okay. So therefore, my fx is 2 times of infinity. Take away 1 infinity. Take away 6. So it will approach what?
Where 1 infinity, take 1 infinity, then minus 6. Infinity minus
This is 2 infinity. You imagine, no? This 2
infinity
infinity.
minus 6.
Take away infinity minus 6. So
Infinity minus 6.
infinity minus 6. So is it still infinity?
Yes.
Yes. So here there is no upper boundary. So there is no vertical asymptote here. So there is no upper boundary, but there is a asymptote here. Are you clear? Okay.
Yeah.
So I make a conclusion. Therefore, the horizontal asymptote is y equal to negative 6. So here. So you see, the graph can cut the horizontal asymptote, but cannot cut the vertical asymptote. Yeah. So if you base on this graph and part E, this is the lowest y can go. Am I right? This is the lowest value of y. Sorry, this is negative 6. Okay, so this is the lowest value for y. Am I right?
Yes, the minimum point.
Yeah. So that means the rest will be above this value. So I can, from here, I can state that the range is, in this case, is our fx. Fx is a member or real number and fx is greater than negative 6.13. So this is the range. The one I write in red from the graph. Are you okay? Hello?
Miss,
Yes?
Okay.
since y is equal to -6, didn't it would be from above?
No. From here, you look. You look at the graph. You approach from here. How can be from above will be from here. It approached -6 from below. That is called from below. -6 is above the graph. So the graph approached y equal to -6 from below. I'm talking about the graph approaches that, not the line approach the graph. It's the graph approach the line.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yes, thank you.
Okay? Okay,
Hey, teacher,
so,
I got a question.
oh, you got question, so we cannot complete the other one already. Quick.
Very fast, Neona.
Okay, very fast. Okay, I wait.
Okay. The left bound, right bound, right? How far you get? How far do you know like where to like put the thing?
If the turning point is not obvious, correct, you go a bit further.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if the turning point is very obvious, then you just around the turning point can already.
Oh, okay.
If it's not obvious, you try to go a bit further so that you bypass the turning point. Okay? So shall we go to the next one? Okay. You're not okay, also I have to be okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do the second one. Question 2, I just changed the function. Okay, you can start doing it now. I give you the function, you straight away key the function into your calculator. I say given gx is equal to 5 minus e to the power x divided by x squared minus 2. That means in a rational function, I have the exponential as well. So A, find the domain of gx. B, find the exact value of the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Okay, then C, draw the sign diagram of gx. D, sketch the graph of gx. Hence, find the coordinates of the local maximum point. Okay. The horizontal asymptote part, I'm not going to do for this case. Okay, can we? Okay, for this case, when we want to find the domain, because it is rational, correct? So we have to do something, am I right? Yeah. Thaddeus, can you give me the domain for GX?
Need to write x squared minus 2 not equal to 0.
Yeah, okay. So,
Hold on. X not equal to
root 2.
or negative root 2.
Yeah, so you have to write down both exact value. Anything on the number line, we make sure must, or the domain, it must be exact value, okay? So the domain,
S
so
is
you
the
know, when you rational function, this is very important, this part. So X
is a
is
member of
real
real
number.
number
X cannot be
root 2 or negative
root
root 2.
2 or X cannot be negative root 2. Okay, done. Part B. Find the exact value of the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Yeah. So this one, every one of us are familiar already. So we want to find x-intercept. We put 0 equal to so 0 times x squared minus 2 equal to 5. So 0 times anything is 0. So e to the power x is equal to 5. So what is x? Nicholas. Nicholas. Nicholas.
Yes,
Wait.
teacher.
Yes, yes. Nicholas, answer
X
me.
equals to 1.6094.
No, I want exact value, Nicholas. Nicholas, when you put the E over, please remember this. When you bring the E over, it becomes ln 5 because they are the inverse. So this is the x-intercept, please. Exact value. Just now you give me the one is approximate value.
1.6.
The one is approximate. So this is the exact value. Do you see the word I put here, exact?
Yes.
Yeah. If exam you give me 1.6, I give you 0. That's it. So this is the exact value. Okay, so that is your x-intercept. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you find the y-intercept, you put the x equal to 0. So the answer is -4 or -2. Right? Okay, done with that.
Yeah.
Then part C, we want to draw the sign diagram. Okay, we want to draw the sign diagram. Yeah, next, no Shazana. Shazana?
Yes.
Can you tell me how to draw the sign diagram?
Make the line for.
Yeah, I draw the line. Okay, I follow your instruction. Then after that?
And then plot the x-intercept, which is ln 5.
Okay, ln 5. So this is approximately Okay, I give you the approximate number, ln 5, 1.61. Okay, is that all, Shazad?
No.
No. So next, what must I do?
Determine the region.
Huh?
Determine the region is negative.
Determine the sign of the region. Do you know you haven't complete? Do you know this function have vertical asymptote?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot. Yeah.
Yeah, you forgot. Exam on the sign diagram also forgot about you lah. Hello?
Yes. I draw the vertical asymptote.
Yeah, so what how should I mark? Should I mark with full line or dotted line?
Dotted line.
Dotted line, one is √2 here. √2 is about 1.414. Right? So it should be here, √2.
Yes.
This is negative √2. No.
Yes.
I'm wrong. This is √2.
Yes.
So where should I put the negative √2? Somewhere here.
Yes.
So now I got 4 regions to determine the sign. Okay, can you tell me the sign for the 4 region? Everyone, you should know, correct? How should you know how to determine the sign for the region, huh?
The positive, negative minima, right? Yes.
You sure? You key in the function already, you go to alpha trace, then you call out the function, you punch in the number.
Yes.
Yes, sure. So for region A, you can put 2 lor. Am I right? So what do you get? Hello, you're very
Negative.
slow.
Negative.
Negative. Okay, how about region B? Region B, 1.414. So this is very close, huh? So you put 1.5.
Positive.
Sure, positive, huh? Okay,
Yes.
positive. Then after that, you can put 0. I think it's negative. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
And this one is positive.
Yes.
Right? Okay, we are done with our sign diagram. Then when you want to sketch the graph using your graphic calculator, correct? I told you already, don't quickly go to the graphic calculator, am I right? So what should you do? You should prepare all your axes, am I right? So I prepare. Is my x-axis. This is the origin. √2 here. So along the line √2 and negative √2, what should I do? Safan?
Yes, miss.
Yes, what
We
should
should
I
put
do?
a dotted line.
The vertical
dotted
dotted
line?
line, because these are the vertical asymptote. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Then one more. I should mark down a point.
Ln 5.
Yeah. Did I mark it correctly? Then you go to
yes.
Yeah, then you go to your graphic calculator, please. Then you do a zoom standard or up to you. See whether you can get the graph or not.
Got 3 line one.
Yeah, got 3 separate lines. You got 3 separate lines like that. One go like that. The other one go like that. Somewhere, someplace, somewhere here got turning point. So I call this a local maximum. Please find the local maximum. Then the other one go like that.
Yes. Got it.
You got it. Very happy, huh? You got it. Okay. Can you find the coordinates of the maximum point? We call that local maximum, huh? Because in this location, it is the maximum.
The maximum. Wait.
Second trace. Same thing, but choose maximum this time. Do the same thing for left bound, right bound.
So left one will be.
Go to the left of the turning point. It doesn't matter.
Which line, Miss?
Huh?
Got 3 line or which line?
Hey, the turning point is which line? You bring the cursor there, okay, young man? Middle one, okay?
Young man.
Yeah lah. I didn't call you young man, so I call Hao Xuan. You think I can remember all your name?
Okay, can. Sorry.
I can't remember all your name, okay? I'm not good at memorizing name. I'm good at memorizing maps.
Okay, so left bound, right bound got already, then guess, then I enter only.
Enter, yes. So local maximum. We call it local maximum because in this location, it is the highest. But in other location, this one is much higher.
I don't know I correct or not.
So I give you lah.
Oh shit, correct already.
Why you have to use that expression?
Chill, bro.
I didn't correct before, so.
Why? Hey. Whatever past is past. Look forward. Okay. So you got that, am I right? So there is a horizontal asymptote here also. So are you okay? So you see, you have to learn how to combine everything together, play around with it, then you will get what you want. Okay. Hello? So tomorrow we will try a few questions on natural law. Okay, class? Thank you.
Right, miss. Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Hi,
miss. Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you.
Teacher.
Yes.
I could for today I could attend this class, but for Friday and Wednesday, I might have to attend the another group class because in the afternoon I may not be free.
Okay. So you just let me know, no? Just let me know, huh? Okay.
Okay. Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sure.
It's okay.
Miss.
Yes.
The y-intercept. Do you put it in your graph?
Yeah. It's
negative.
Yeah. You put is a -2 here.
-2, right? So the local maximum, why it don't be -2? It is lower.
So
okay. Sorry.
Correct lah. -2 is smaller than -1.9. Okay. Because we look at the number. It's okay. It's fine.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.